If you want to land retainer clients and stop constantly chasing new business, learning how to use proposal software the right way is the shortcut most freelancers and agencies overlook. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use proposal software to set yourself apart and turn one-off jobs into long-term monthly clients. So stick around because I've tried all the major tools, and I'll even give you a free trial link to my top pick at the end. Now first, let's talk about what makes a proposal turn into a retainer. It's not just about looking pretty, it's about showing your potential client the value of an ongoing relationship. The software we'll be using makes this really easy by letting you build modular proposals that focus on transformation, not tasks. Start by picking a clean template inside the software. You want a structure that immediately communicates clarity, something like problem, solution, ongoing plan, pricing. You can customize the content, but keep the flow simple and benefit-driven. In the problem section, don't just restate what they told you, show that you understand the underlying pain points of their business. This builds instant credibility and positions you as a strategic partner, not just a service provider. Then, in the solution section, focus on how your solution doesn't just fix a single issue, it evolves with their business. Here's where you plant the seed for ongoing work. Mention things like growth, scalability, or continuous optimization. The key to landing retainer clients is the ongoing plan section. This is where this proposal software shines. Use the recurring services feature to outline exactly what you'll deliver each month. Whether it's monthly SEO, regular content updates, or analytics reporting, map it out here so there's no confusion. Next, pricing. Don't just give a one-off fee, include a retainer package with tiered options. Use the toggle or comparison table in the software to visually differentiate between the one-time service and the monthly retainers. This makes it easier for clients to choose the retainer path without pressure. Once that's done, use the built-in e-signature and payment features to make it seamless. This eliminates back and forth and gets them to commit while they're still excited. One tip, turn on proposal tracking so you'll know when they viewed it. This is perfect for following up at the right time. If you're wondering which software I'm using here, it's linked in the description. It's a viewer-exclusive free trial just for Dan Thorne's audience. You can follow along with your own proposals, and it works whether you're a solo freelancer or running a full agency. Now before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. If you want to land retainer clients, your proposal needs to sell long-term outcomes, not short-term deliverables, and using the right software makes this a repeatable process, not a guessing game. Quick recap. Start with a problem-focused structure, emphasize ongoing value, build a retainer plan with tiered pricing, and use proposal software to automate the process from pitch to payment. And if you're serious about implementing this, I highly recommend you grab the exclusive free trial in the description and try this workflow for your next client pitch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.